Mark, please. John is waiting for you. He has been waiting all morning. Please come home early today.
I just wanted Dad to say happy birthday. Just those words. Just happy birthday, John.
Today is my birthday. I am 8 years old today. Good morning, birthday boy. I made pancakes just for you. I made this for you, John. Happy birthday, little brother. Dad, today is a special day. Do you know what day it is?
Yes, busy day today, buddy. I have to go to work. Be good, okay? Bye!
John, Dad is very busy today. He has a lot of work. It's okay, Mom. I know Dad is very busy. It's okay. Maybe he will remember. Maybe he will come home and say happy birthday. I also got you something small. I bought it with my own money, John. Emma, I love it. Thank you. It is a stegosaurus, my favorite. Mark, please. John is waiting for you. He has been waiting all morning. Please come home early today. John, do you want to play a game with me? I have your favorite card game. John? Are you okay, sweetheart? Do you want some cake? I can make your favorite. Dad forgot. He forgot my birthday. I waited and he forgot.
I just wanted Dad to say happy birthday. Just those words. Just happy birthday, John.
You don't have to hide it, John. I know you are sad. It is okay to be sad. I promise you, John. Dad loves you. I know it. He loves you very, very much. Mom, I think I hear Dad's car.
John! Where are you, my birthday boy, John? John.
Dad, you came back.
John, I am sorry. I forgot this morning and that was wrong. You are the most important in my life. Happy birthday, my son.
Okay, birthday boy, make a wish. Close your eyes and make your wish. I wished for this, for all of us, together. This is the best birthday.
John, remember this. When people love you, they come back. And Dad will always come back. Always. Sleep well, birthday boy.